world, I am Jan Michael Zarape. I hold a bachelor's degree in information technology, and I am responsible for AI side of our robot. My focus is on making the AI smarter and more efficient.
Hi, I'm Philip Basa, holding a bachelor's degree in electromechanical technology, majored in mechatronics and robotics. And my role is to design 3D models in robot parts.
I am Junjurong C. Balago, holding a bachelor's degree in electromechanical technology, majoring in mechatronics and robotics. My responsibilities include performing electronic work, automation, programming, and artificial intelligence in this project.
It encourages students to think critically and solve real-world problems by breaking down those complex tasks into manageable steps.
Robotics project often requires teamwork, helping students develop communication, leadership, and collaborative skills.
We introduce robotics among the students so that they can catch up in technology, whether they are use, ABM, or arts and design. In this era, technology is very useful and powerful.
As we celebrate the 70th founding anniversary of Liceo de Cagayan University, the senior high school proudly presents a special tribute, a collaborative project between our dedicated teachers and students. This initiative
Liceans, are you all excited as to what our robot is? Distinguished guests and Liceans, let us bear witness to the innovation of our department. All together in a countdown of 10, let's unveil our robot. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's cheer our BBA and COO for unveiling the robot. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, the main robot of the senior high school department. May I please come closer to the robot so that I can access it? Hello, the robot. Please initialize. Initializing this. Would you like to tell the crowd who you are?
My name is Lyra, which stands for Liceo University. I am programmed to answer questions about the university for students, teachers, visitors, and guests. Welcome, and feel free to ask if you have any questions about Liceo de Cagayan University.
Lyra, what can you do?
I am programmed to provide valuable information about Liceo de Cagayan University. If you would like to add more details, please inform my creators so they can update my database. Thank you.
Thank you, Lyra.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
Lyra, please.
Nakunguyab di apart. Bro, klaro kayo. Maklaro na rin tungkol sa mga kwan ni. Laka. May pa si Carlos. Singit. Gulab. Ako nang uyab. Yan na. Ako rin bayad plastic.
Karang kategori nga ako eh.
Ikaw yawa, umukol magita sa mata nga. Alam mo nga.
Mariura man na sila.
Alam gani yung mata, ulang ang grado.
Matay, balik dyan yung matay.
Ay ba yun?
Ayoy.
Kita, dari ba itong sakon?
Taas mo rin. Pero
Ninja eh.
Kung ko pa ito. Kado ito na ako.
Ayan na.
Lagi magklaro na rin ba? Bullshit. Talent, supportive boyfriend.
Bro, kayo ka dadala na yung amigo diri. Sira nila ko diri. Awa, nakataipit na nun sa diri nun.
Siya may niling ka diri.
Mali pa niya pala sila. Pero ata kabantay. Mali sila.
Presenters, you may take your lunch at 12 and be back at what time?
Diyan na si Wally.
Kaya sa ito nanawag.
Delete na project.
Look ba kayo?
Matuplok lagi na lagi.
Hindi makita mga nakahay.
Exhibit.
An kauna.
Ang late to, ang late.
So this is the Cody Rocky. This is Cody, and this is Rocky. This is the face of the Cody Rocky. Now this is how you control this one. This is how you
After watching or after experiencing or discovering our expo,
then this is how you
you
sprint.
may proceed
This is how
to
you
SAC
spin.
third
This is
floor
how you.
for the clocks.
Then
The clock expo, there are booths in the third floor, so you may proceed there. And also the research colloquium at the EAC building, third floor. And you may also proceed to NAC. Okay, so there's a community pantry at the NAC building. Okay, so make sure to have your attendance list stamped by the respective staffers or whatever you call them in those designated areas.
And 30?
60.
60 FPS?
Mura katong mapa beto sa Y8 nga katong mga tangki-tangki.
Tangki-tangki.
Robot to, limang sakir, nagasakir. Oops, offside.
Katong movie ba, katong mga robot bitaw nga gakuan. Katong tournament nga kuan. Sa mga robot lagi.
Hindi mo alam si Baymax din. Baymax. Paano ba ito? Puro na makina na sunod na Burag balon. Baymax pasad.
Gani, balon naman to.
Okay, so the robot tech lives here in the LCC, so make sure to have it stamped. And the basic education expo, Bazaar 2025, is just right outside LCC, where our ABM students are having their bazaar. Okay, so you may proceed there also and have your stamps taken. And
hello, bird!
Sir Sean.
Would you like to try now?
Nagtry yung lulu.
Kumbira is at SAC building ground floor, so you may also proceed there, but I think it's still closed. You can try mamaya mga 10 or 11 a.m.
Mag-drawing room. Mag-drawing.
The Senior High School Research Colloquium is at the third floor.
Uy, ay pag binastos, uy!
Community pantry. At the community pantry is at the ground floor. Same goes for the Lisiano Art Gallery and the PTA Community Extension Program. So if you are hungry, ipagutong na mo. So you will go to the PTA Extension Program. There are foods available.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Next month's concert at Rodelsa Hall. Katulad naman mo sa Rodelsa Hall, di ba? Okay, so it's first come, first serve. Now, our next move dance company will be having a concert 10 o'clock this morning. So it will run for around 1 hour and 30 minutes. So it will be from 10 to 11:30 at most. So yeah.
Give.
So your schedule to watch the next moves concert will be today, grade 11, 10 a.m. Okay, so lahat ang ito yung hapon. So please watch and experience and
nakaba doon yung mga special ability.
Able
Naba yung mga rocket launcher. Naba yun yung mga rocket launcher.
So it's a first come, first serve basis. So please watch our next move dance company concert.
Cognition.
Rate it. Nice. Sure. Palayo ta para madunggan. Ilaman.
Gusto ko itong ano, mamusturya bitaw yung kan. Sa imo bitaw.
Pero sa microphone lagi.
Muy liyo kasi kiya ba. Amin nato gapon san. Cameraman.
Everybody at the bleachers, you may count downstairs.
Sila ni Gawas.
You may come downstairs and roam over the NCC to watch.
Wala ni-reply si Jeric ko.
Dili ga-reply si Jeric.
Wala kang ma'am, nakang Jeric na para sa. Katag doon nagapo.
Okay, so
ay grade school din ang buhat anak.
Exhibit to bo.
Hi everyone, good morning. I am Jo Ada, grade 12, STEM 39. So this is our prototype, a code saving robot and a weather responsive solution for our laundry protection. So here we have a rain sensors. A rain sensor detects water and activates our L29PD. It will automatically rotate our DC motor once it gets detected rain. So here you have a so once the rain sensor is wet or detect a 450.
Okay, so don't forget to watch up by 10 o'clock a.m.
Our clock. So once the rain is done, wala na yung done, balik ka po nila o pagawa sa clothes para mauga na siguro.
Additionally, ang among robot is na BHT11 temperature and humidity sensor that will measure the temperature here in the LCD sensor uses the
for the next moves dance company concert.
Temperature and humidity sensor.
So with this innovative prototype, it can prevent na mabasa ang clothes o mabasa sa sudden rainfall, weather unpredictable, o fluctuations sa temperature and humidity. And if you want the summarization for temperature and humidity
Kailan mo pa install na sa balay? Thank you. Ay install tani kay para dili na bitaw maulan na natong gipang halay bitaw.
Rate it, Rom, rate it.
10 out of 10. Para dili na haguon. Dili na haguon. Coba man kita nonder eh. Amun ta. Ay diri deh. Sila boy. Terus nagsaon na to patanan. Nagsaon na di. Atun maabot og 1 arang video. Atun maabot og 1 arang video ba?
Our robot, you need to see here, but you have to
One is research project is called Speak and It's Done. It's a home automation that is based off of the Arduino interface. Now, sayang nandiyan kayo kaya dili na ko ma-demo ang capabilities sa mga research project. Pero ang basic lang ang rundown na ni sa mga system is that nami application di na ko magamit kaya dili siya compatible with iOS. Pero nami application nga ngalan is Odimir, and with Odimir pwede ka mo input sa imong commands via touch or via voice command. No diri sa mga touch commands nami ka nami toggle nga pwede nimo ni off or pwede nimo ni tagsa og on. Then naapod mi sa voice commands nga command nga ma-off ni sila tanan sabay-sabay. Ang mga command prompt via voice command is turn off all, light 1 on, light 2 on, and so on and so forth. And then kani siya ang mini house diorama na mo is mo ni siya balimrag visualization sa kung saan capability sa among system. Like let's say ang scenario is nakakasabad niyo pero gusto niyo yung ano suga sa sala, pwede rin niyo input dito by voice or by touch. Ang main set mga objectives sa mga research project is to provide a home automation system that is similar sa mga nailhan na dyan nato nga Siri and Alexa and then sa pana, but on a smaller and cheaper scale para mas available siya sa wider margin of the general public. And aside ko na sasad sa main points ganun kaniya among naunaunan nga research project is to assist po sa atong mga physically challenged mga individuals uban sa panimalay. Para di na sila mabangon para mo-off og suga, di na sila mabangon para mo-off og electric fan, pwede rin sila ma-control sa ilang mga balay with the touch of their phones. Pero mo dyan na ang essence yun, sayang lang dyan kayo na dili mga mapademo ka wala po.
It's light to automatically turn it on.
Barbie house?
Barbie house. Okay. Very nice. Not really. Not the full effect eh. Wala man nakita.
Nabutan mo ng feed na. Hindi nga medyo mag-robotics.
Iko pangutan na.
Nabaligyan na bye.
Unsa na boss?
Nabutan na sa feed. Sige daw. Let's try this out.
Kita mangita na sa game ka.
Urog ko tong buwang na sa game ka.
Room, panguta ikaw pangutan na dara gon. Pangutan na.
Kasi pangutan na. Kaya mo gisulti ro. Miniature parking lot.
And the senior high school.
Nag-picture ba? Nililabay rin ni Kalit.
And you may also witness the community pantry, the
Demo sila nag-demo.
Demo sila robot.
Robot.
Ngita tagsa.
But using the system,
Bali, ang football, forward.
forward.
Please don't also forget to witness the next moves
Actually, mo spring
at the results the hall. It's the first serve.
Battle machine?
So if you want to watch and enjoy witnessing the talent of our talented Lycean community, please do not forget to watch our next moves dance company concert at the results the hall.
Spring ya, tubig deh.
Spring
Ayo madong tubig.
From spray ni siya. Kasabot. Spray na tong tubig nga vrum vrum. Let's head on to the next. Uy, Pikachu bird, Pikachu. Hello bird. Explain na balik ma'am.
Pwede balik. Butan daw na to ang kundi useless nga.
Dili ikaw ang kakuan. Charging.
And mostly on your social media. Don't forget.
60 FPS tayo. Apa man bay? Dito tayo. Let's go. 3D printer.
Something for the robotics expo.
Rate it on 1 out of 10. Picture the perfect.
You may also be
balik.
for different events during the expo. Different buildings.
Nice. Naibaguan na kanang nai-carton sa likod. Nai-cartolina ba? Nakang ako na sa picture mo. Kanira ako
The senior high school